Hello, friends and residency candidates, and welcome to today's discussion where we are going to be talking about how to match during the post-match SOAP. Now, keep in mind the post-match is incredibly competitive. It's more competitive than the main match, so there are a few preliminary concepts that you need to have in mind before coming into match week. And the first is to understand the post-match SOAP timeline. And if you need a rundown for the SOAP timeline as well as some additional tips, make sure you check out this video here. Additionally, it's extremely important that you prepare ahead of time for the post-match SOAP. You need to come in with an understanding of how it works, as well as a game plan for succeeding. So in order to understand the 5 best steps for preparing for the post-match SOAP, I recommend that you check out this video here. Now, like I said, you need to come in with a game plan for the post-match SOAP. At 9 a.m. on Monday of match week, candidates will find out if they're matched, partially matched, or unmatched. And for everyone who is match and post-match SOAP eligible and is unmatched or partially matched, you will have the opportunity to participate in the post-match SOAP. Now that means you have from 9 a.m. on Monday morning through 8 a.m. on Tuesday morning before programs are going to be able to review applications, which means you have 23 hours to pick the best 45 programs to apply to for you during the post-match. So that means your program research has to be extremely quick, efficient, and effective. And the best way to do that is to go through the one and only post-match SOAP program compatibility search engine called Electronic Residency. So we're going to head on over to Electronic Residency and I'll show you exactly how it works. All right, so here we are at electronicresidency.com, which is the post-match SOAP program compatibility search engine designed to help you find compatible programs participating in the post-match SOAP extremely quickly and efficiently. So we have registered an account, we have logged in, entered our credentials, and activated the specialties that we are going to be interested in. And then you can just go to Start Program Research come Monday of match week and you find out that you are unmatched or partially matched. And so what we're going to do is take an example of programs that we might find on the unfilled list. These are totally random, so these are not relevant to what will actually be on the unfilled list. But let's just see how this program compatibility search engine works. So you copy the ACGME code from the list of unfilled programs, which you will only find through the NRMP R3 system. You come back to Electronic Residency, you enter that code, you hit search, and you get an instantaneous compatibility result. We see here that we did not meet the USMLE Step 1 cutoff. So that's an incompatible program for us. It would be a waste of one of our 45 applications. Okay, so let's go to the next one and see if we're compatible with that. Okay, we have a compatibility. They do accept the J1 visa and they don't have other requirements that would hinder us from applying. So that could be a good one, and you will see it get saved to our compatible program list. We can even bookmark it if we feel especially inclined towards applying. Now, let's go to the next program, and again, you just throw it in there, hit search, and we're not compatible because they don't accept the J1 visa. All right, so you can see how quick and easy this process is. Your customized list is generated as you search for programs. And once you're going through the unfilled list from the NRMP, you just enter all the programs that might be on that list. And you might find that you're not compatible with a certain number of them, and you need to find the 45 best programs for you. So you can see here that we have another program that we would qualify for. It gets saved to the compatible programs list. And you can see that all those got saved onto our compatible program list. We bookmarked 2 of them. And this is just a representation. There are going to be hundreds of programs on this unfilled list. Depending on which specialty you're looking for, there's going to be more and less programs, which again is why it's so important to prepare ahead of time and why we have resources to help you do that, to come in with a game plan and understand exactly how you're going to find programs to apply to. So let's just hop over to the schedule real quick to summarize what you're going to have to pay attention to. Again, at 9 a.m., you're going to find out your match status on Monday, March 14th, 2022. And you have until 8 a.m. the next day on Tuesday to apply for programs starting at 10 a.m. And you have 45 programs total. And it's very important that you apply to all 45 programs by 8 a.m. on Tuesday, March 15th. There is absolutely no reason to wait beyond 8 a.m. Apply to all 45 programs. And the reason for that is because programs are going to be reviewing applications as soon as they have the opportunity, and they're going to be conducting interviews as quickly as possible. So make sure that you've prepared for interviews. Obviously, again, that comes down to prep. And on Wednesday, the 16th, it's all basically going to be interviews and creating their preference lists. Then on Thursday, we have our offer rounds. So keep in mind, most positions get filled on the first offer round. So get all your applications in early before 8 a.m. on Tuesday. And if you get an offer, you should almost definitely take it unless you are absolutely opposed to going to that program, because there's no guarantee that you're going to get another offer in later rounds. Most of the positions are filled in the first offer round. So if you do get an offer, it's highly recommended that you take it, but just keep in mind that when you do, it is a binding contract, just like in the main match. All right, so that's a summary of how the program compatibility search engine works and what you can be doing to make sure that you are maximizing your chances for success come match week, in case you do have to go through the post-match SOAP. Thanks for listening. If you found this helpful, please do give the video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Match a Resident for more helpful videos like this. And if you do have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them below and we'll get back to you as promptly as possible. Thanks everybody, and best of luck to you.